How do you situate yourself now? Yeah, of course, everybody knows what Lenny said a few weeks ago na at this point she's not interested in a national position. But then again, you had at least two consecutive surveys showing her with better numbers vis-a-vis Sara Duterte. So nag-i-improve yung numbers niya. Pero at the same time, parang ayaw niya. Where does that leave you? And what's the plan of the party as far as that's concerned?
Well, sa ngayon, ito, consensus namin na we will continue to organize. Kasi ako, bumababa talaga ako sa ground, no? Nag-prepare for 2028. So ang sabi sa amin is, let's prepare for the elections in 2028 as if Mayor Lenny or Senator Kiko will be running for a national position. But in terms of our official stand naman sa party, I can say na whoever is going to be the consensus of the opposition, yun nga, whether si Senator Riza, Senator Bam, or our party mates, Kiko, si Lenny, susuportahan namin. And I was actually in Naga 2 weeks ago, before she made her pronouncements. And kwentuhan kami ni Ma'am Lenny, and then sinabi niya talaga na she loves her work as a mayor because she's very close to the community. That's why ayaw niyang tumakbo bilang senador, quote-unquote, at congressman. And then biniro ko na, ma'am, pag presidente, community ng bansa, natawa siya. So, I mean, my interpretation is, sincere siya pag sinabi niya na ayaw niya talaga, gusto niya mas mag-mayor. But I also really firmly believe that eventually she'll decide to run for president. But siguro, I think it's up to Naga, the residents of Naga, na maiparating yun sa kanya. Because ako, I've been a mayor and mahirap na pag-usapan ang national issues. Wala ka pang 1 year into your job as a mayor. So ganun, I think, yung dilemma ni Mayor Lenny for now. Focus talaga siya on the job. I firmly believe in that. But yun nga, parang ang aking interpretation is wala siyang ibinitawan na definite na no, I'm not running for president.
Yes, paano akong understandable kasi dahil in-interview siya sa isang local radio, Bicolano pa nga yung usapan nila. Ang hirap naman kasi nasasabihin niya na, yes, iiwanan ko yung Naga. Less than 10 months pagkapanalo pa lang niya. Diba? Medyo hindi naman maganda yon, no? Kaya, pero sabi mo nga, from your vantage point, ay hindi pa siya totally sarado. At binanggit mo rin na may possibility na kung mga tiga-Naga ang magkukumbinsi sa kanya, na hindi naman sila iniiwan, pero tinutulak siya para sa isang higher calling than baka. Baka.
Yeah, that's my gut feel. Kasi mahirap naman yung nanggagaling sa Liberal Party na kailangan, I think the people of Naga will be the ones to convey kung ano ba ang nasa puso nila. And mas matalagang makakatulong naman siya sa Naga if she becomes president also. So hindi naman mawawala yung serbisyo sa Naga. But again, that's my gut feel.
You sound pretty hopeful, if not confident, na hindi pa pinal ang desisyon ni Lenny at may pagkaasa pa na magbago yung kanyang pananaw at ang kanyang desisyon. But what is it that she told you from your perspective that gives you that hope? Is there anything that happened or anything she said that gives you that kind of that glimmer of hope that she would change your mind?
Yun lang yung sinabi niya na kaya gusto niya mag-mayor, masaya siya sa trabaho niya because close siya sa community. That's why ayaw niyang tumakbo sa national. And then binanggit niya senador or congressman. Yun naman niya sinabing presidente. So biniro ko tuloy na ma'am, pag presidente ka, ang community mo naman is buong bansa. And then natawa lang siya. So parang wala siyang sinabi. Definitely I will not run for a president because ang kay Lenny, Ma'am Lenny kasi pag may sinabi siya and feel mo talaga na sincere siya doon, then yun yung kanang decision. But in that conversation, and I don't know if I may be wrong, but ang aking pagkaintindi is gusto niya talaga mayor and ayaw niya senador or congressman. But wala siyang sinabi na definitely I'm not running for president.